guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Gearheadgirl. Today we're going to be unboxing this mini security camera. So this is basically, you might have seen stuff on social media advertising these for quick sale around like $50 or so. If you do a little bit more hunting, you can get them for way cheaper than that. And so I thought we would give it a try. So we'll go ahead and see what's in the box. So this one's marked as an A9 battery IP camera. It's supposed to be able to record with an SD card if you don't have Wi-Fi. If you do have Wi-Fi, then obviously you can download the app and do that. So in here we've got our pamphlet that looks like it's not in English at all. Oh no. Camera settings. Yep. So I'll just do a little close-up on this for you guys. All right, so feel free to pause the video to be able to read the instructions. All right, so you got your pamphlet, and then you've got the mount with, looks like an adhesive, and your USB charge cable, and then the camera itself. So it comes with a little protective cover here. So there's our camera, there's the charge port on it, and there's where you can insert your micro SD. You've got an on-off button at the top and a mode button. And so, yep, that is what comes in the box. Your 3 pieces and a pamphlet. All right, so here's your up-close version. You've got your charging cable there, and the mount with the adhesive, and the actual camera itself. So you go on the mount, you can see it's magnetic, and then just stick it to wherever you want the camera to be. So the camera base itself is magnetic, so it is really handy. You can kind of just check it on anything that's magnetic. And you can see here's the charge port. There's your micro SD slot. And it's important to note it does not come with the SD card. And yep, you got on and off features and a mode button. So it might be a little bit hard to see, but there is a screw right there and right there to get the back cover off. All right, so you see those Chinese 2 screws there that was there and there. You can actually get inside here and see that it has the lithium polymer battery, and then just the board, and there's everything in there, the camera, the lens, and all that. So that is what is inside. All right, guys and gals, so that's what's in the box. If you've purchased one before and like it or don't like it or thinking about it, maybe give us a comment below, let us know your thoughts. And in general, if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share. See ya.